the rhymes! Uh-oh. Our room is super messy! Let's make it shiny again!
Oh no, what a mess! Toys all on the floor!
Let's clean together, it'll be fun! Yeah! We're the cleanup crew!
Milo says, let's clean up fast, we can make it fun!
We'll help too!
Poppy smiles and grabs a broom. Come on, everyone! Let's dance while we clean!
Clean up, 1,
2, 3. We're the cleanup crew, you and me. Let's match colors. Red goes here.
blue blocks in this box.
Pick up, pack up, sort and play.
Here, I'll help you. Thanks, Milo.
When we help, we laugh and sing. Cleaning's fun when it's a team thing.
Wow! Cleaning makes magic happen.
Shiny room, hooray, hooray! Let's keep tidy every day.
Look how shine it is now. It smells so fresh.
Working hard before we sleep. We did it! Cleanup crew, hooray!
Clean up,
1, 2, 3. Milo, Poppy, you and remember, kids, cleaning together is fun.
Yeah!
We're the cleanup crew.